I just had to let you know you're.
Assalamualaikum, hello everyone, my name is Syahmi Haikal from the group PACKEETER. Yes, we named ourselves from the packets, so network kids, you get it. So for this project, we were assigned to do a design for a Faculty of Computing network block, which is N28B. So without further ado, let me demonstrate what I have been doing from task 1 to task 5. So our project was to design a full network for the Faculty of Computing block N28B. So task 1, floor plan. I built the student lounge from scratch on Draw.io. Every wall, every workstation for students. It sounds simple, but it wasn't. But that floor plan became the foundation for everything that came after. Task 2 was requirement analysis. We interviewed our faculty rep, which is our own lecturer, Dr. Hazina. We researched 16 questions, from Cisco lab specs to ISO 27001 security standards. Turns out, before you touch a single cable, you need to really understand what the client needs. Now task 3 is different. Device selection. I priced equipment for the student lounge and embedded lab. And let me tell you, SFP modules are not cheap. We came in a 799,000 ringgit out of a 1.3 million budget, though we stayed disciplined. Task 4 is physical cabling. I mapped every cable run for the student lounge. It was approximately 1,174 meters of Cat6 UTP fibre across the whole building. So every meters count. Task 5 is IP addressing. My subnet is student lounge. 6 usable hosts, perfectly sized. VLSM finally made sense when I was assigned real IPs to real room. Honestly, this project changed how I see networking. It's not just theory in a textbook, it's floor plans, budgets, cables, and addresses all working together. I came in knowing subnets, and I'm leaving knowing how to design a network. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. May your packets always reach their destination.
I just had to let you know you're.